Hey everyone! If you're hearing an echo in Google Meet in 2026, like your voice repeats or you hear feedback, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet audio echo problem step by step. First, open Google Meet and use headphones or earphones. This is the fastest way to eliminate echo. Next, mute your microphone when you are not speaking. I mean, this prevents your mic from picking up sound from your speakers. Now avoid using multiple devices in the same room. If two devices join the same meeting, it often creates strong echo. After that, lower your speaker volume. I mean, high volume can leak into your microphone and cause feedback. Next, adjust your microphone sensitivity settings. Too much sensitivity can pick up unwanted background noise. Now close other audio apps like music players or video apps. I mean, these can interfere with Google Meet audio. After that, restart your browser or rejoin the meeting. This helps clear temporary audio glitches. Finally, test your microphone and speaker settings inside Google Meet. I mean, this ensures everything is properly configured. So, yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet audio echo problem in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your audio should become clear again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes. Hey